Hello everyone, my name is Karimun. My roll number is 21BQ1A05K9. Today I am going to discuss a topic called list. In this video we are going to discuss some topics. They are how to create a list, how to create an empty list, how to access the elements in a list, what is nested list, how to change values in a list, how to use loops on list, concatenation and repetition of list. Let's discuss what is a list. List is a sequence data type. It is similar to that of array. List contains sequence of non-similar data elements referred as a single name. All the non-similar data elements are referred as single name in a list. How to create a list? The group of elements are enclosed within a square brackets. Each element is separated by comma operator. Example is A is equal to 10, 20, happy, which is a string enclosed in double quotes, 30. All the elements is enclosed in a square brackets. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to create an empty list? You can create an empty list using an empty pair of square brackets. What is the syntax? List name, that is A is equal to square bracket, empty square brackets. Let's discuss how to access the elements from the list. Accessing of elements can be done with the help of index values. By default, index value starts from 0. Python supports both positive and negative index values. Positive index values are represented to access the elements from beginning to ending. Negative index values are represented to access the elements from ending to beginning. Here I have given a list. A is equal to 10, 20, happy, 30, which is enclosed in square brackets. I have to access the element, that is A of 2. Then it returns happy. A of -3 returns 20. Accessing range of values from the list. Accessing range of values from the list can be done with the help of slice operator, which is represented by the colon symbol. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Print of A from 2 to 5. Here it returns 3, 4, 5. Let's see an example. Let's take a list called A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A of 0 returns 1 because 0, 1, 2 and 3. To access negative index values -1, -2, -3 and -4. Here A of -4 returns 1. In this way you can access the elements using positive index values and negative index values. Let's come back to the topic. Example program. Write a Python program to demonstrate list. Let's run this program in. I have written a program. Let's see what's the output for this program. Let's run the program. The output is as shown above. In this way we'll get the output to demonstrate the above program. Let's discuss the next topic called nested list. When a list contains another list, then it is called as nested list. Example, A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and B is equal to hello. A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and B which is list, it is already given the elements HELLO. Or B is equal to happy, 10, 20, 30. It is also a list which is in the form of another list. When a list contains another list, then it is called as nested list. Accessing elements in a list, nested list. Syntax to access elements in a nested list. List name, square brackets, main list index value followed by sublist index value. Both the main list index value and sublist index value are enclosed in square brackets. Let's see an example. A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and B is equal to hello. A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and B, which is also a list. Now print A of 3, 2. Here A is a list and B is also a list. Here the B is also a list, which is having the elements H, E, L, L, O. Print A of 3, 2. First, what is A of 3? A of 3 means here it is 0, it is 1, it is 2 and it is 3. A of 3 means B, and in that B we have second element to access. So this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2. So the element here it is written is L. Next, print A of 1. Here A of 1 is, this is 0 and this is 1. So it returns 20. In the same way, B is equal to happy and the list 10, 20, 30 is enclosed in another list. So print B of 1, 2. Here B of 1 means this is 0 and this is 1. B of 1 means 10. That is 10, 20, 30. This is list. In that list we have to access the second index value. So 0, 1, 2. So it returns 30. In the same way, B of 0, it returns happy. In this way, the nested list performs its action. Let's go to next topic. Modify and changing values in list. Modifying values in a list can be done using assignment operator, which we call as equal to. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Print A. Then it prints all the elements in A. A of 1 is equal to 10. Assigning A of 1 is equal to 10. Here print A, it prints all the elements. A of 1 is equal to 10. Then we have to assign, this is 0 value and this is 1 value. In the place of 2 we will get 10. Updated value will be printed here, print of A. And the next one is A of minus 5 is equal to 20. Here the minus 5, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Here the minus 5. In this place we will get the updated value as 20 and here print A. The updated list will be printed. Next, A of 1 is to 5. Here this is slicing operator. In this we have given 10, 20, 30, 40. So from 1 to 4, that is n minus 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Till here the updated values will be updated and the list will be printed as 1, 10, 20, 30, 40 in the place of 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way, modifying and changing values in a list can be done. Let's go to the another topic, loops on list. Here I have taken a list A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I have taken for loop for I in A. So print I is equal to end space. Okay, first for I in A. First A is a list. For I in A, first 10 gets into I. Print I. Then here 10 will be printed. And then space. Next 20 will get into the place of I. 20 will be printed. And next 30 will get into the place of I. 30 will be printed. Next 40 will be get into the list. And then 50, all the values with the space will be printed. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. In this way the loops on list can be used. Next, go to next concatenation of list. I have taken two lists A comma B. Here I have given 3 elements in the list A and 3 elements in the list B. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have taken another variable as a C is equal to A plus B. Then I'll get here the C is also a list. So C is equal to A plus B. Here addition that is concatenation of list takes place and I'll get the value as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. For I in C, Here we are having the C value as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. For I in C, print I. End is equal to space. Then each and every element like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the values will get into the I. First for I in C, that is I is 10, 10 in C. For I in C, print I. First 0 element, that is 10, print I. 10 will be printed, then comma. Here end space is comma. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 will be printed. E is equal to A plus within square brackets 90 plus 90 comma 100. Here it prints 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then E is equal to A plus 90 comma 100. Then here E is equal to A plus 90 comma 100. Then A 10 comma 20 comma 30 and plus 90 comma 100. 90 comma 100 will be added to the list A. Then E stores 10, 20, 30, 90, 100. For I in E, each and every element gets into I, and then print I comma end is equal to space, that is 10, 20, 30, 90, 100. In this way the list will be printed. Next, repetition of list. I have taken here the A is equal to list 10, 20, 30, 40. Print A, that is hashtag 2. Here the list will be printed 2 times, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, and these 4 values will be repeated the second time 10, 20, 30, 40. In this way repetition of list will be worked. And next, in this way the repetition and concatenation of list will be perform its action. Thank you.